everybody. So right now we are going over the 0-1 lesson check, and it says to take turns translating each of the following into an equation. So I want you to go ahead and tell me what answer did you get for 1, and then we're going to check it together. Okay, so you should have gotten, 3 less than x is equal to 13. So x minus 3 equals 13. So if you got that, then you're good. If not, let's talk about this. 3 less than. Less than means that we are subtracting, right? Is equal to 13. Okay, so equal 13, I already put equal 13. 3 less than x. I'm not going to say 3 minus x because I want 3 less than x. So I have x and I'm taking 3 away. So that's x minus 3. Okay, I want you to go ahead and try the second one. Okay, you should have gotten 9 times m equals 45. Or you could have written it as 9 times m equals 45. It gives you the same thing either way. If you got that, go ahead and go to the next one. If not, let's talk about this. Product. Product means we are multiplying. So product of 9 and m. So that tells me that I have 9 times m is, just means equal, 45. So it tells you right there how to do it. Go ahead and try the next one. Okay, so a number divided by 6. So let's call that x divided by 6 equals 18. You should have gotten that. If not, let's talk about it. A number divided by 6 is 18. Okay, so a number divided by 6. So divided by just means actually division, right? So a number is just x, or any letter that you want, a variable, divided by 6 is means equal sign. So you could have written x divided by 6 as a fraction, or you could have said x divided by 6 equals 18. These both mean the same thing. Go ahead and try the next one. Okay, so we should have gotten x plus 17 equals 25. Okay, so if you got that, good. If not, let's talk through it. A number plus means that we are adding, is means equals, so 25. A number is any letter, so I could have picked A, B, C, any letter. I just use x normally. So a number plus x equals 25. So x plus 17 equals 25. Good. Go ahead and try the next one. Okay, we should have gotten 7x equals 28. Okay, so if you got that, you're good. Go ahead and go to the next one. If not, let's talk about it. 7 times a number. Times means that we are multiplying. So 7 times a number is 28. So it means equals. So we have 7 times a number. So I can use any number. I'm going to use a since I already have an x here. So 7 times a equals 28. Cool, good. Go ahead and try the next one. Okay, so a number divided by 7 is 9. Okay, so x over 7 equals 9, or x divided by 7 equals 9. If you got that, we're good. If not, let's talk about it. So a number is any letter, so I'm going to put x divided by, so we already know what divided by means, 7 is equals again, 9. Cool. Go ahead and try the next one. Okay, so you should have gotten x minus 12 equals 20. If you got that, good. Go to the next one. If not, let's talk about it. A number, so we don't know the number, so I'm going to put x. Minus means subtract. 12 means equals 20. So x minus 12 equals 20. Okay, go ahead and try the next one. Okay, so you should have gotten y divided by 3 equals 25, or y over 3 equals 25, so I'm going to go ahead and just write it both ways. Okay, if you got that, you're good. If not, let's talk about it. Quotient. Quotient means we are dividing. Quotient of y and 3. If I see quotient of something, the first thing that they list goes on the top. So y would go first. That means y is up on the top like this. And 3 means 3 is on the bottom. Is 25, we already know is means equals. So y divided by 3 equals 25. Okay, good. Go ahead and try the next one. Okay, so we should have gotten 1/5 r equals 15, or we could have said r divided by 5 equals 15. Those are both the same. If you got either one of those, then you're good. Go to the next one. If not, let's talk about it. 1/5 of r is 16, so 1/5. 1/5 is a fraction, so that's why I put a fraction in the very front. Of r. When you have of and it does not have anything else around it, that just means we are multiplying. So 1/5 times r is 15, so equals 15. For r over 5, I took 1/5 times r and I went ahead and just multiplied them together. So I just said 1 times r is just r. So I have r over 5 equals 15. I would accept either of these. They are both perfectly good answers. Go ahead and try the next one. Okay, so you should have gotten 2y minus 6 equals 34. If you got that, you're good. If not, let's talk about it. 6 less than, so 6 less than 2 times y, so times means we are multiplying, is means equal sign. So 2 less than 2 times y. Okay, so just looking at this right away, I know 6 less than something. So that means whatever I have, I'm going to have minus 6. So I can go ahead and just put that minus 6 right there. 2 times y, that's just 2y, or you can say 2 parentheses y, or you can do 2 times y. They are all the same thing, is 34. So I got 2y minus 6 equals 34. Go ahead and try the next one. 5 more than n is equal to 9. Okay, so we should have gotten n plus 5 equals 9. Okay, so if you got that, you're good. If you got 5 plus n equals 9, then you would still be good. Let's just talk about this. So 5 more than means plus. So 5 more than n is equal to, so equal sign 9. When I was reading this though, 5 more than n, that tells me I have n and I'm adding 5 more to it. So that's why I put it down as n plus 5 equals 9. Go ahead and try the next one. Okay, we should have gotten x plus 3 equals 19. Okay, if you got that, you're good. Go to the next one. If not, we are talking about it. A number. A number just means some letter, so let's call it x. So a number, so x increased means plus 3 equals 19. So is means equals. So x plus 3 equals 19. Go ahead and try the next one. Okay, so we should have gotten p minus 7 equals 30. If you got that, good. Go to the next one. If not, we're going to talk about it. The difference of. Difference of means we are subtracting. So difference of p and 7. Again, for this one, you could not do 7 minus p. The order does matter. So as soon as they give me something and then they give me an order of 2 things afterwards, you have to do them in the same order. So p and 7. So p minus 7 is, just means equals, 30. Okay, go ahead and try the next one. we should have gotten 15 times k equals 75. I don't know where I put it. There you go. Equals 75. Cool. If you got that, you were good to go. If not, let's talk about it. So we have 15 multiplied by just means multiply by. K is 75, so 15 times K equals 75. Pretty simple. Go ahead and try this very last one. We should have gotten 3y plus 5 equals 47. If you got that, good job. You finished your homework. Let's go ahead and just discuss how to find this. So the sum of just means plus 3y and 5 is 47. So that just means I have 3y plus 5 equals 47. So again, if it's in the front and it's like the sum of, and then it gives you a list of two numbers, you have to do them in the same order. That's the same thing if we were to say the difference of. You have to do them in order. So 3y plus 5 equals 47. Okay, so that is it for this. Tomorrow we are going over lesson 2. Have a good rest of your day.